Basketball is an exhilarating sport that combines skill, strategy, and teamwork. It's a game where players must seamlessly coordinate their movements and make precise passes to create scoring opportunities. Just like in soccer, basketball also has its own set of techniques that enables teams to maintain possession and break through the opponent's defense. Let's try a practice problem. Find the angle theta, given the radius of the semicircle is 5 meters. The arc length of BC is 2 pi meters, and point A is the center. Whenever you're given an arc length, you can solve for the angle that creates this arc length very easily. All you have to do is figure out what fraction of the total circumference this segment takes up. It tells us that it's 2 pi meters long, so that'll be the numerator. It doesn't give us the total circumference though. We are given the radius, and the formula for the circumference is simply 2 pi r. So the total circumference is just 2 times pi times 5, which is 10 pi. This becomes our denominator. 2 pi over 10 pi simplifies to 1/5, which means that this arc length is 1/5 the total circumference, which means that this angle is 1/5 the total angle measure of a circle, which is 360 degrees. So now we just have to figure out what 1/5 of 360 is, which is the same thing as 1/5 times 360, since the word of means to multiply. This gives us 72. Now that we know this angle, we can solve for theta. But we don't know what this angle is. So how will we be able to solve for theta? Well, what we do know is that A is the center of the circle, which means line segment AB is a radius of the circle. And so is line segment AC, which means they have to be the same length. So this triangle is actually an isosceles triangle, which means these two angles will be the same. So we can fill in this missing angle as theta as well. Now, we know that all angles within a triangle add up to 180, which means this theta plus this theta plus 72 should equal 180. These two thetas combine to give us 2 theta, and subtracting 72 from both sides leaves us with the equation 2 theta equals 108. When we divide both sides by 2, we get theta equals 54 degrees as our answer.